Enough for you to use and replace. You will get 6 pieces of stainless steel nail clippers with a length of approximately 6 cm (2.4 inch) in length. With non-slip lever design for cutting, and embedded metal nail file, it is very suitable for smooth rough edges after trimming, which nicely solves your manicure needs in any scene. Comfortable to hold. This nail clipper set using a comfortable shape to the lever, meet the natural curve of the nail. Non-slip grip nail clippers make each nail cut smooth and easier. No need dig your hands into the edges, built for a variety of nail types. Sturdy material. The portable sturdy nail clipper is designed with electroplated Ni-Zinc alloy sturdy zinc alloy stainless steel precision blades and anti-slip lever, precisely aligned stainless steel blades, closed rotation axis, ensure long-lasting. Lightweight and compact to carry. Our nail clippers are lightweight and easy to carry. Keep your fingernails and toenails clean at all times. The product is suitable for people of most ages, enough to share or replace. Smooth blades. The nail clippers are made up of stainless steel with sufficiently smooth blades. Stainless steel blades cut thick nails smoothly and easily with no need for filing, preventing nail splitting. Top reviews from the United States. Colorful and strong. They didn't include a file, but they're still great.